Hello YouTube denizens, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and what I thought I would cover today is how to use a Schlag blank and one of these shims to open this lock. If you have it in this position, you don't have to pick it. It's actually much quicker to use one of these shims to open this lock up. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the back like this, and then we're going to pull the key out, and it just went through the first pin set there. So we're just going back and forth, moving it up and down, moving those pins up and down, and you can see how fast that causes those pins to go up and down to the shear line, and then you're pushing out a little bit on this shim, and it will go right between the key pin and the driver pin. And just that fast, we have it open. So much quicker if you have a cylinder like this to open, much quicker to use a shim like this than it is to pick this lock. So now all I did was using the blank. And so the way that works, let me just grab a plug follower here and show you why that works that way. Let's pull this out. All right, so what you are doing is by putting this blank in here, you're ensuring, because it's a blank, all these pins will be pushed up, right? So you're coming along in the back here, and you're trying, so you've slid this in here, and now you're right up against there like that. So when you pull this, back this out, it's going to drop down like that, and you're going to keep going back and forth until that slides right in there. Then it'll be up against this one, and you'll know because it moves that much further down. You go and you do the same thing by pulling back and forth on this until it slips in between that one, and you just continue doing that using the ramp of your key to bring it right to the point where this separates and allows your shim to slide right across there. See, I just keep backing this out like this until eventually all of these are essentially picked by the shim. Turn it and withdraw your key, and now I can work on this lock. I'm actually going to do a cutaway on the front here of this lock. I'm going to cut the front away so that you can look down on the first pin, and I'm going to be doing a video on how to effectively pick mushroom pins. So to do that, instead of a side view, I want to show how the cylinder locks into place into a false set and what's needed to bypass that false set. So I'm going to get to work on this now, try to make that cutaway so I can show that video in a little bit. Hope that helps. If it did, please hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming content. And also, if you have any questions about this or anything else, just put it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it for you. In the meantime, for Picklocks.com, I'm David Storm.